What's up, everybody? What's going on? If you guys hear the sound in the background, that is my fan going. I like the extra. First of all, I like staying cool. It's been getting warmer, so gotta love it. So, in the warmer weather, keeps the Rono away. Yeah, if you guys hear that noise, that's my fan in the background. So, all right, so let's get started. And as you guys can see, here we go. Now we have an interesting shooting star candle. So now you have one of those candles that shows, okay, this may be looking to reverse a little bit. We had a few breakout days continuing up. We'll have to watch and see. Right here you can see some, kind of drawing some support out. I guess you can do kind of like this, or if you want to go kind of right in here. So kind of the top of a rising wedge. Got a shooting star candlestick right at the top of kind of basically a rising wedge. So don't be surprised if it starts to pull back. You'd like to see this 9 EMA catch up and get ideally above that 200 and hold support ideally around that, basically that 300 level, right? Just kind of call it like right. Where is it here? I'm just going to put it at 300. Even. Basically, like, kind of like that. So, watch and see if, again, so price is that angular resistance. Watch if it pulls back. You want to see that 9 EMA and these moving average lines ideally catch up, get above that 200, and see if that 200 SMA can hold. You can see on the hourly, the buyers came in a little bit after hours. They have it above the 50 SMA. So we'll see. You can see basically a left shoulder, possible head. So you can see a possible head and shoulders. Got some resistance right around that 305.50. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And kind of we can draw some kind of angular support. Kind of if you look out here. So we'll see if it continues up tomorrow. So again, if the support can hold, continues up, then you see about that 305.50 up to 306.84 resistance area. So let's take a look at some of the results from today, and then we'll build the watch list for tomorrow. I have a new copper glove, guys. This one I think I like. This one's got a little bit of a strap around it. So I got the copper glove. So when you're at your computer all day, copper, supposedly, I don't know if it's placebo effect or if it works, but I get a tingling sensation in my hand. So I feel like it works good, I think. And then I got my copper bracelet. That's what happens when you're an old man sitting at your computer all day. So, all right. So we had, let's take a look at Pfizer. Pfizer we had at or above 37.41. So you'll see what's up, Sudi? How you doing? At or above 37.41. It's a Dragonfly Doji on the daily. Watch if price can break out above $38 area with resistance between $38.50 and $39. And that was where we were looking at right here. That Dragonfly Doji kind of right over here. It broke out. It broke out above $38 and it went up to, look at that, just below $38.50. So that's exactly what I was saying. Went up to 38.44. So that was a decent move up today. Gold, GOLD, was at or above 23.92. Possible reversal. Watch for possible move up with resistance at 20 EMA on the hourly, then previous close and 50 SMA. And What did I say? It was at or above 23.92. Oh, okay. Let me change the symbol. So it got up above. So you see, what did I have it as? 20 EMA on the hourly, then previous close, and 50 SMA. So it actually, yeah, so it kind of had a bull flag breakout and then went up to, basically up to 24.80 today, and it filled that daily gap right here. So now, if you're bullish on it, you want to see price get above that 24.64 area and continue up. It's showing some weakness at the moment, so gotta watch and see what happens there. IAG, that was a gold stock, so that one broke out of the falling wedge. So that one went up from 370 today up to 385. Not bad for a smaller cap stock. So for trading, basically what gold would have been on a smaller cap stock, that had a nice kind of 15-cent move up. Hertz did not do anything. So Hertz today didn't move up. So this one, we were looking to see if it could break above that 150-ish area. And Hertz is, no pun intended, hurting right now. So that didn't do anything. So let's build the watch list for tomorrow, Friday. I'm only going to do basically a day trade watch list, not a swing trade watch list going into Fridays. So let's see what we got. This one may be interesting. So kind of has a bull flag-ish pattern for a sub $1 penny stock off that 9 EMA. This one has some potential. Just for looking at a technical, if it can get above that 50 SMA, that one might be interesting. So that is GHSI. $58. Up to 62. Bull flag on daily. Watch if price can move up with resistance between 58 cents to 62 cents. So for sub $1 stock, this may be setting up for a potential breakout or a pop. So that's GHSI. This is the stuff I'm looking for, these bull flags like this. You can see this one moved up a little bit, but it still didn't break out yet. Let's see if it's still got some maybe cup and handling on the hourly. That one may be interesting. With some resistance around 45 cents. But it's got a spinning top. I'm not a fan of those spinning top candles. I'm not going to put that one on. I prefer it like right here. It still could continue up, but I like to see it ideally there. That one might be interesting. BNGO, possible bull flag. 55, 52 to 55 cents. Possible bull flag. Wait, was that the one I was just looking at? No, I guess not. Possible bull flag. Kind of a cup and handle. This one may be interesting. Bull flag on daily, inverse, head, and or cup. I'll just put cup and handle. Cup and handle 1 hour. Watch for possible move up with resistance between 52 to 55 cents. To 55 cents. So you can see kind of a cup and handle-ish here on the hourly. Watch if price can basically get above that 50 SMA, and then you have resistance between that 52 to 55 cents. BNGO, that's bingo. So far, not too many, guys. Not the greatest plays. See, I'm looking for stuff like this, guys. As it pulls back, I'm looking for it when it's down here, kind of like those flags in the breakouts. So that's the stuff I'm looking for. I'm not seeing many setups like that today. Maybe because the market's in a shooting star pattern, so that might be why. Stuff like this, right? Flag, kind of pull back. I'm looking for it here, not out here. So ideally, as it kind of retests, I'm looking for it as it breaks out to get you guys those pops. I don't love this one. This one right here, I'm doing... Hey, Namakita. For Virage, I'll do whatever. Cup and handle, you can see here, this one's got some resistance. Kind of this kind of a falling wedge. Cup and handle, this one might be looking to break out. This one might be interesting. Cup and handle, watch for possible breakout with resistance around 260-ish. All right, my man Viraj. What's up, Viraj? Look up at Goro. I'm impressed that you know Goro, gold stock. So, not looking so hot at the moment. It's failing the 9 and the 20 EMA. Although, let's see. So at the moment, it's not looking so high. You have a head and shoulders basically on the hourly. It may get a bump if you can see if it can hold that 384 area. And then you have moving average resistance above. It's not looking so hot at the moment. Gold got a little bit of a pop today, and now it's kind of in a weird area. Oh, yeah, Goro in the Watch This video? Yeah. That's the thing with these gold stocks. You got to catch them. Don't buy it just because you think gold will be good long-term potentially. You have to get the good setups. And right now, gold is in a tricky setup. So at this point, you want to see if support can hold down here, continue up, get above that 200 SMA, right around that 416, and then you have some resistance around that 442 to 455 range. You're welcome. All right, guys, I got to take this glove off. This thing's annoying me. I don't know if I like these gloves. They restrict my fingers while I'm trying to use the trying to use my mouse. So, oh well. I'll stay with my copper bracelet. But it's actually a pretty good glove. I think it's better than the other one, but I might have to stretch it out. Who knows? Not too many, not much for tomorrow so far, guys. Let me pull up another scan. This one may be setting up if it can get above that 1044 range. Possible flag, possible double bottom. Needs to clear that 1043. Right there. So it's got some room up to 1083. Potentially liking it for possible bull flag. Bull flag on daily. Watch for possible move up with resistance at 1043. At 50 SMA on 1 hour, then around $11. PBFX. So basically you can see kind of a flag pattern, kind of a cup and handle. And then if you go to the hourly, if it can clear that pink line, which is the 50 SMA, it's got some room, up to that, 1080 up to $11 range. Wrist copper bands, other metals as well. Amazon, of course. Yeah, I got this one right here. You see this one right here? I got a kind of a wrist copper band. Is this what you're referring to? This thing's actually been pretty decent. I kind of like it. Which reminds me, I just got one from Dan. I gotta do a meetup with Dan and give him his wrist copper bracelet. I bought one for him as well. I think he might like it. But Dan's all macho. He gets a little bit weird about wearing stuff, I think, probably on his wrist. So I'll have to see if he'll wear it. APY. Wasn't this one on the watch list recently? This one, look at that. Look at that huge volume right there on the daily. This one might be setting up. This one may be setting up. That's interesting. Huge volume on daily. Watch for possible breakout above $9 with $10 resistance. APY. No, similar. Has Velcro. Constriction seems to help. Sudi, do you have can you post a link to one on Twitter or on YouTube so I can check out where can you post an Amazon link if you find one that you like? And then I'll probably check it out and order that. That sounds like a good idea. BORR, that one might be interesting too. That's drilling. Possibly this one may be creeping up. NXPI. Let's see. So this one is failing the 9 EMA. It's got that 20 EMA support or support right around that 96.77 area. Possible inverse head and shoulders, possible ascending triangle, but it's the daily candle's not so hot at the moment. See some support, if it fails that 20, look at some support right around that 96.77 range. Let's look at the hourly. And it's bouncing off that 200 right after hours on the hourly, so maybe that 200 SMA, very important support level on the hourly though. Well, that's going to be the watch list for tomorrow. Keep it short and sweet. We got to watch how we end this week. Sudi, do you have a good copper bracelet that you'd recommend I take a look at? I'm gonna... Now that you said that, a copper wrist strap. I like that. Copper Velcro wrist strap. So basically, I'm done with the watch list video, guys. I'm waiting with bated breath to see if I can get a good wrist strap here. But now I'm just posting this on our webs. I'm going to post the watches on our website. So if you're watching, just know I'm pretty much done with the watch list. I'm not doing a swing trade one for tomorrow due to it being Friday, and we usually don't do one. M-Brace. All right, let me take M-Brace RCA carpal tunnel wrist. All right, let me take a screenshot of that, so then I'll look it up on Amazon. Let me see. So M-Brace RCA carpal tunnel wrist pain relief. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Sudi, is this what you're referring to? This right here, bud? Is this the one? Can you see that? I think you can see, right? Let me see. I'm put up closer. Is that the one I should get? If so, I'm going to order that right up on Amazon. That's the one? Nice. Do you have that? Does it work? Carpal tunnel pain relief. Hands-free mobility, comfortable support, promotes healing. We like healing. May prevent surgery. Maintain normal lifestyle. So that's the one. That's what I should order up. I'm going to order that. I like that. Do you use that at all? That's it? It does it for you. So do you use it when you're like trading and stuff? So my first question is, do you use it trading, and then do you use it for like just like when you're walking around or just regularly? Is that carpal? Wrist pain? Yes, you do. On now? Oh, nice. Cool. I'm going to order it right now. I'm going to do a buy now. I'm just going to trust your opinion. Look at that. I'm just going to swipe to place my order. I'm not even going to check it out. Actually, was there size regular, and your orders looks like I'll receive it Wednesday. Nice job. And I will be getting my shower curtain liner today from Amazon too. I ordered a new shower curtain liner, so that should be coming in today, so I should be good to go. All right, guys, so this one was short and sweet today. Hopefully it helped you guys. Stay safe trading. Again, just I say be prepared for a reversal. You know, who the heck knows what they'll do. I mean, anything can happen, but it's at angular resistance at the top of a rising wedge. Don't be surprised if it pulls back at some point. So you'd like to see that 9 EMA, the 20 catch up, and see if it can hold support for a potential continuation up. As if you guys have been listening to Trump, he's been saying, notice his words lately, he's been saying we're going to have a V-shaped He said V-shaped recovery. So he's been talking about that quite a bit, or I've seen him talk about it a few times. V-shaped recovery. What's that mean? I mean, this is a potential V shape. We'll see if it continues up like this and out into the future, or if it falls again and then V's. But I mean, so far you still have this. It's a potential start to a V. It's halfway there, so we'll see. You know, we'll have to see if it continues up. You can see some. That's right. It hit that resistance right at the base of that hammer today, that 307.12 right there. So right there, it rejected right at the base of that, which if we look on the daily was right, actually, where was it? Maybe it didn't hit it. 307.31. Where was that? 307.32. What the heck? Did it not hit it? Let's see. Oh, maybe it didn't hit it yet. Ah, so it's right above up there. Yeah, so LK, that's what I put on there, guys. I was putting it on there to watch. LK, same thing as Hertz. Those are ones to watch. Remember, these ones right here are not real-time alerts. These are trade alert setups on what to look for. So at the moment, it didn't break the areas that we were looking for, so it's still bearish at the moment. So, you know, that's why I put on there. Be very careful with that one. Same thing with Hertz. So at the moment, I'd watch it, but, you know, I was just putting that one on there for potential, you know, reversal up. It still didn't continue above basically these areas. I'm not sure when I had LK on there. When did I have LK on the watch list? It's still, it's definitely bearish at the moment. I think I had it over here, right? Or over here. One of these two are over in here. At the moment, it's showing kind of, it's weak. So it's one of those to keep an eye on. Same thing with Hertz, you know. HTZ, that's another one. It's still bearish at the moment, so didn't do much of anything yet. Yeah, I think LK was on a couple days ago. Actually, I can take a look over here. It's possible. It's possible that could happen, yeah. Did you buy it? See, Hertz was the other one right here. We're trying to see if it can get above this level for just a quick pop up. But yeah, it's not. Oof. Eesh. What buying sign? What made you want to buy it? It could. That's one of those things, guys. Like, it could be like, you just don't know. You know what I mean? There is still some support between that 179 to 133. It's just, it's a crapshoot, you know? I don't like it at the moment. That's for sure. But you got to watch it. All right, so hope that it'll get up. Yeah, we all make those decisions. Yeah. Well, yeah, that one, I'm not liking the pattern at the moment on it, but the market's just crazy, guys. You don't know what these things are going to do. So at the moment, it's definitely bearish, but yeah, it's below on the hourly. I mean, there is some support around that 133, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Hopefully it will continue up, but it's not looking so hot at the moment, that's for sure. Let's see, 528, 529. right, guys, I think that is it for now. I will see you guys all later. And that's that. Have a good night, everybody. Enjoy.